Hey, good day, everybody, and welcome to the April 2026 release of the new OpenBOM landing page. I'm Steve Hess. I'm just going to take you through a 1-minute tour and give you a little introduction. The buttons across the top here are live, so they will take you directly to those places inside OpenBOM. Of course, all items where many of us start, easy to find my items, easy to search, easy to get information about them. You'll find that very familiar. Next, all BOMs. These are all the items in your system that you have access to that have bills of material. You'll find them there. Record counts. This gives you a breakdown of where your how many items you have, how the record count calculation is for your billing. Design files. I do a lot of CAD. I keep all my CAD files in OpenBOM. Easy access to my design files and to my design folders and other components that I use for managing CAD files. Open orders. Open change orders, open change requests. Your purchasing and planning folks might find this an easy access to orders. Change requests, of course, is there anything here that I need to maybe take a look at, maybe move it through the process a little bit? And then a place that I visit, every day when I start out is my tasks. Has anyone assigned anything to me? I can see here that Mike has given me a task. Maybe I should take a look at that and move it along through the organization. So that is the new landing page, April 2026. A lot more information here, but I just wanted to give you a quick introduction. Love to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks, everybody.